have this Seneca Letters from a Stoic. I like to do a daily Stoic reading, a Stoic practice. And this book is lightweight and portable and is easy for me to keep nearby for a quick reading session. Each letter is broken out. It's a quick read. So for instance, here's letter 6, which is, a page and a half. I have highlighted areas that I want to keep at the forefront, and this makes it simple to pick up and put down a quick letter, at a time. I do a letter a day. This translation is by Robin Campbell. It reads smoothly, and it does feel very accessible without losing the depth of the letter. The letters are short, very short, so each letter is easy to absorb, one teaching per day. And like I said, I like to highlight what I think is an important sentence or important words to keep those at the forefront. This paperback, in my opinion, is practical and perfect for anyone who wants to make Stoic readings part of their daily routine. This one particular, Seneca's reflections on virtue, resilience, and simplicity, really are timeless. And this book here delivers those with a very approachable way and manner, and I do highly recommend this one.